In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Presto card to Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use a Presto card directly linked to your Apple Wallet. So instead of referring to the Apple Pay in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Presto within the Apple Wallet. So to do this, you will have to download the latest version of the Presto mobile app. You can only do this by using the Presto application. So all that you have to do is open the Presto app, set up your account, so sign up to use their services, and after you are signed into an account, you will be able to choose Add Card under the home screen. Immediately upon selecting Add Card, under the option to buy a new card, you will be able to select Presto and Apple Wallet. You can also attempt this to register a pre-existing card and also choose the same option, Presto in Apple Wallet. When you do this, read through all of the important details. It is going to talk about the process and the limitations included, but overall, it is simple to use. You will be able to tap your phone and contactless pay for any ride using your Presto card. So whenever you choose the option to buy a new card or register a pre-existing one, you will get the options to load funds, load new transit passes, and essentially just manage the card. You can pay using Apple Pay, and whenever you buy this new card, it is going to be attached to your account. With this done, you will be able to enter a nickname, tap Next, and finally add to your Apple Wallet. By doing this, you will now be able to start tapping your phone whenever you are ready to pay. Just physically place your phone near the Presto card reader, and by doing this, the transit passes, the balance, and so on will be used from this card. You will be able to manage it within the Apple Wallet or the mobile application, whatever you prefer. And you can load your cards, you can set up auto load, you can do transit passes, and so on. Keep in mind that you must use the Presto app for this to work. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Presto card to Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.